So this is the Benjara Wooden lift top cocktail table, and it is not only beautiful, it is great quality. It's all wood, and I like that the feet are round so you don't stub your toes on hard corners or hard legs. The top part actually lifts up. This is the part that is the wooden lift top. Very easy to operate. It's not super heavy, but it's not flimsy either. So you can see I can pull it with my right hand while I'm holding the camera with my left, and you can see it lifts out. Is perfect for eating at the couch. You just simply push it back in. It lowers really nicely. The tabletop itself has a light coarse texture to it, so you can see the bumps there. That is not a veneer, that is the actual texture. So very, very nice and authentic, but it's not so rough that you can't put your plates on it, or a cup or something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and lift it again here because I want to show you what the inside looks like, the storage area. This is such a great feature. You get a lot of storage space in here. So you can put blankets, you can put CDs or books or whatever you have. And the construction is metal for the actual lifting of the table. So really great construction, great quality materials that just work really well and are very durable. You also have the metal handles, which is nice for moving if you have to lift and move it up. Otherwise, I mean, this is just a really nice piece of furniture that is good quality and looks great and very functional.